Zealand talaga.
Oo. Tandaan ni naman sa muna si
Si
Inday.
Alexei.
Alexei.
Kay ina balang kumbago ka kuno sa isa ka tanen, ma-hold ka sang breath mo bala ma. Hasta kay para ma-wish mo ma-come true, ti damo ti tunnel. Sa isa diri nga tunnel, first yang nga ano, hara na ta day, hara na ta, hold just ang breath ya dugay-dugay.
Ano ka ni name sila nga tunnel? Water View Tunnel.
Oo.
2.4 kilometers long.
2.4.
Auckland, New Zealand. Seven minutes past 4 o'clock in the morning. Going to Auckland International Airport. At the wheels is our son-in-law, Johan Salau. Videographer, Miss Joy Ann Salau. At my right side, Miss Dina Serfino. This was opened in 2017. Cost of this water view tunnel was 1.4 million New Zealand dollars.
Million or billion ba?
Billion.
Huh?
1.4 billion dollars.
Really? Wow.
This is the longest motorway tunnel in Auckland. By the grace of God. In New Zealand also. Now,
Okay.
going out, we have just gone out of the tunnel and approaching another overpass or walkover bridge.
Okay.
Wonderful. Thank you, dear daughter, our lovely daughter, Miss Joy Ann, and handsome son-in-law. Okay?